Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If you want to summarize any PDF file for free using Google Gemini on your phone, then this video will help you. So let's get started. First, open the Gemini app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your Google account. Now on the main screen, tap on the plus icon or upload option. Select Files and choose your PDF from your phone storage. Wait for the file to upload completely. Once your PDF is uploaded, tap on the text box and type "Summarize this PDF." Now tap Send and wait a few seconds. Gemini will read your entire PDF and give you a short summary in the chat. If you want better results, you can be more specific. You can type "Summarize this PDF" in bullet points or "Summarize this PDF" in simple words. If your file is very long, you can also type "Summarize this PDF" into key points only. This will make it easier to understand quickly. You can also ask Gemini to summarize specific pages or sections if needed. In case the upload option is not showing, update your app and make sure file permissions are enabled on your phone. This method is completely free and works for most PDF files. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro. Hello everyone.